right, grade 2, here we are with our science video. I'm still trying to get this nicely. Good. For this activity, 2 and, oopsie, 3. Oh, that's the handwriting. You need 2 and you need 3. Okay? So, you don't have to write your name at the back of 2, but actually at the top of 3. Why not here? Just write your name. Just write your name there at the top. Alright, good. For this activity, you are going to need your pencil. I'm using my pen. Scissors and glue. I don't have my glue here, so I'm going to use, where is it? Press stick. Alrighty. First things first, we are going to cut all of these out. So, cut them out with me now. I'm doing this on the camera, so I don't know if I'm even cutting straight right now. Cut all of these out. Ta-da-da. Ta-da-da. Now, as you can see, at the top of that page of 2, it said parts of plants. These are the parts of the plants. They give us the word stem. They give us the word seed. They give us the word fruit. And we're going to cut this out as well. I'm cutting so skew. They also give us the words, hold on. They also give us the word flower, roots, and leaves. Good. If you are not finished cutting out, pause the video and quickly finish cutting out. I'm going to carry on. So, now you need your glue. First things first. We are going to read the first block. It says the flower contains this helps make more plants. Okay, so they are talking about the flower. So now I go find my flower word. And grade 2, look at what I'm doing. At the side, at the capital letter side, I'm making a small fold. Very small. Do you see that? It's very small. I'm not folding half of the page, half of the word. I'm just making a very tiny fold. You are going to take your glue and run it along that fold. I'm putting my glue there. And then here at the side where you see the space, that is where you paste it. Not on top of the words, next to it in that space. So that if I open it up, it tells me something about the flower. Do you see that? So you are going to paste it so that it's across from that line. Do not paste it on the words. So you paste the word flower, flower over the first one. Next one, the leaves make what for the plant through photosynthesis. Take the word leaves, make a small fold at the top. You run your glue along that fold. I'm going to use my glue and you paste it in the open white space so that if I open this up, I read more about the leaf. Next one. The roots anchor the plant into the what? They bring what up from the soil into the flowers. So they are talking about the roots. I take my word roots, I make my small fold at the top, you run your glue alongside that fold. I'm going to paste my roots on the white part so it doesn't go over my words and I can easily see what they want to tell me about the roots. If you aren't finished with those 3, quickly finish them. I'm going to move on. Here it says, the fruit of the plant is the part that humans and animals can what? They also contain what to make more plants. So here we're talking about the fruit. Grade 2, for this side. Do not make the fold on the capital letter side. Make the fold at the end. So this time I'm turning it around and I'm making my fold on this side. Make sure that your fold is on the right side. Then you are going to run your glue alongside it. I'm putting my press stick. And then I'm pasting it on the white part so that if I open, I can still read everything that they wrote down for me. Okay? Next one, seeds grow into new what? They need water, warmth, and space to grow. They are talking about the seed. Once again, I'm not making my fold on the capital letter side like we did. I'm making it at the end of the word. You run your glue alongside it. I'm pasting my makeshift glue and I'm putting it over here so that if I fold it open, I can still read all of the words. Then the last one, the stem. The stem holds the plant upright. It carries what and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. So, once again at the back, not at the capital letter side, we are making this fold at the back. And we paste it on the white part so that we can still clearly read all of the words. All right, if you're not finished with the pasting of the labels, then pause the video, quickly finish that. I'm going to start with the filling in part. Okay, so now we are going to fill in this worksheet. So, let me just quickly see if I can't get this to tilt. No, I can't get it to tilt. All right, so first one, the flower. The flower contains what? This helps make more plants. What do the flowers have that help make more plants? The flower contains, actually now I have to think because I would have said seeds, but that's the fruit. Pollen? Pollen? Do you think it's pollen? Pollen is that yellow little dusting that the bees and the birds carry from one to the other. I think it's pollen. The flower contains, yeah, let's write that down. Pollen. P-O-L-N. Now, grade 2 pollen is, like I just said, it's like a little dust. It's like a yellow or sometimes I guess it can be whitish dust that you find on the flower. And then as soon as a bee or a bird goes there to eat or to drink from the leaves or whatever, this pollen is carried from one flower to the next flower to the next flower to the next flower, and that way they reproduce and they make more plants. I hope I'm right. Next one, the leaves. The leaves make what for the plant through photosynthesis? Remember we said the leaves are like the kitchen of the plant because they make food. The leaves make food for the plant through photosynthesis. Next one is the roots. The roots anchor the plant into the what? The roots anchor keeps it down in the ground. And they bring what up from the soil into the flowers? Well, they actually bring two things up from the soil into the flowers. You can choose to write nutrients or you can choose to write water. I'm going to write water. They bring water up from the soil into the flowers. Maybe it's rather nutrients because, okay, yeah, they bring the water up as well, but they bring nutrients up. Whatever. You can write nutrients or you can write water. There's the word nutrients if you didn't know how to spell it. N-A-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Good, we are moving on to the fruit. The fruit of the plant is the part that humans and animals can what? What can we do with the fruit of a plant? We can eat it. They also contain what to make more plants? No, you guys, this is seeds because they said they also contain. this word is seeds. If you wrote pollen, erase it and write seeds for me, please. Seeds. And then this one is also seeds. Sorry, seeds. Well, that's true, because a sunflower, I mean, it has seeds, but it doesn't have fruit. I was being silly. I'm so sorry. All right, now we are at the actual seed label. Seeds grow into new what? They need water, warmth, and space to grow. Seeds grow into new plants. Seeds grow into new plants. Hello, Phoebes. My cat just came in. Psst, psst. Hello, Mama. She's catching a moth. All right, and then the last one, the stem. The stem holds the plant upright. It carries what and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. See, it carries water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. So these are the functions of the parts of a plant. A flower contains seeds and it helps to make more plants. The leaves, they make the food for the plant through photosynthesis. The roots, they help to keep the plant in the ground and they bring water and nutrients from the soil into the flowers. The fruit is a part that we can eat and it can also contain seeds to make more plants. Then the seeds, they grow into new plants. Seeds need water, warmth, and space to grow. And then we have the stem, lastly, and it holds the plant upright. It carries water and nutrients from the roots to the rest of the plant. That is what the stem does. Good. I hope you guys know about plants and their parts and all of the functions. You guys, actually, everybody did a great job in the plants quiz. I have no complaints. I can't think of anybody who stood out where I went, whoa, this child doesn't understand anything. I think you guys all did a great job in science, actually, as a fact. So thank you for listening so nicely. Thank you for watching my videos so nicely. Thank you for cooperating so nicely. Thank you for handing in your things so nicely. Grade 2, you are making this online learning story very easy because you and obviously your parents are taking a lot of responsibility and you are doing everything that we are asking of you. I know that this isn't the way that we want our school to be, and I heard from some of your parents that you really miss school and that you can't wait to come back. And I can promise you, grade 2, the teachers feel the same. We were so bummed when we found out you can't come to school because we just miss your faces. Honestly, we just miss a little noise in the halls. My classroom is basically my office, but right now we moved into a new one, so it's big and it's empty and it's, I don't know, it's too quiet. I miss you guys making a noise. Yeah, I miss your sweet little faces. And I actually thought I will message your parents about this as well. I still want to talk to you guys about the handwriting, so I'm quickly going to get my book. I'm going to talk to your parents about perhaps not for lesson reasons. Maybe we can even do, if you have a question, I can answer it for you or things like that. But I really kind of want to see if we can't work in a Zoom meeting or a Zoom call or whatever, so that I can just see your faces again. You guys can see each other. We can make turns talking to each other, you know, that type of thing. So I will still message your parents about it. Even if I have to do 3 or 4 different Zoom calls on 3 or 4 different times during the day, I don't care. I will then divide you into groups the way that it suits you. I will ask your parents about that, don't worry. But I just really want us to all see each other, get the morale up again, realize who we are doing this for, who we are doing this with. Yeah, just a little virtual get-together. That was my idea. So, after your science, the only thing you have left is your handwriting. And I quickly just want to go through the forming of the cursive Q. All right. So, in our normal writing, it would look like that and like that. Now, the cursive Q is not very different. Instead of closing the loop, we just start at the top, make my circle, but before it reaches, I go in with a little spiral. Do you guys see that I'm not taking it all the way around? I'm not making a like that. It's just a little spiral, and instead of a straight line, I just make a little whoop. It's a little curve. Then the lowercase cursive Q, we start between the body and the tail line, up as if we are making a cursive A, and then from here we go straight down, curve, and up. Please note how I am not lifting my hand. Let's look at the cursive Q, the capital again. I start here, make my oval. Before it touches, I just go in. Oops, that one did touch, but that's not the end of the world. And then instead of a straight line, I just make my little whoop. That's actually not perfect, but okay. Lowercase, look at how I don't lift my hand. I go up, make my cursive A basically, go straight down, and I just bring it back up. Okay, please remember to trace the big ones here. Let me just show you. If you have your handwriting page in front of you, trace this. Here they show you that on the dot is where you start. They show you, okay, you go this way, and that way you can practice it. Don't lift your hand. There's my first one. Here I start at the dot again, and I make my little, oh, that's true, that's true, that's true. This little tail has to reach to the top. I forgot about that. Remember, there are no sharp corners. So please don't give me this. That's not right. I don't want it sharp. It has to be curved. Okay, here as well. We trace, we go up. There they show you. Go back, go around, go up. There they show you. Go down, curve, up. Follow the traces. That's how they show you how to shape the letter. Great. Grade 2, you finished all of your videos for today. You only have your handwriting left, and then you are done. Tomorrow is quiz time. I hope you are studying your words. Please focus on your shapes properties. Practice, practice, practice. And then the other thing was adjectives and adverbs. Make sure that you understand it. Watch the videos again if you need to. Please. You need to go practice that. You need to go study that. Tomorrow you are writing your quizzes. I'm going to tell you good luck now and enjoy the rest of your day.